Cash advance apps usually require bank account access because they need to verify income, review account activity, and send approved funds directly to your account. By the end, you'll know what bank linking means, what risks to check before connecting an account, and how to decide whether an app is worth using. The short answer is that linking your bank account can be safe when you use a reputable cash advance app and understand what access you are giving. The risk depends on how the app handles your financial data, what permissions it requests, and how carefully you protect your account. The first thing to check is how the app connects to your bank. Many financial apps use third-party connection services that allow them to verify account information without asking for your online banking password directly. Before signing up, check the app's security information and privacy policy so you understand how your data is collected and shared. The second thing to check is permissions. A cash advance app may need information such as account balance, deposits, and transaction history to determine eligibility. That does not mean every app needs unlimited access. Read the permission request carefully and avoid apps that ask for information unrelated to their service. The third thing to check is your own account security. Use a strong banking password, enable two-factor authentication with your bank, and avoid linking accounts from public or unsecured networks. These steps reduce the chance of unauthorized access. You should also review the app's fees, repayment process, and cancellation options before accepting an advance. A safe connection does not automatically mean the service is the right choice for your situation. If an app has unclear ownership, missing privacy details, or requests unusual permissions, treat that as a warning sign. Search for official company information, read user reviews carefully, and avoid making decisions based only on advertisements. Before linking your bank account, verify 3 things: the company behind the app, the type of financial data it accesses, and how repayment works. Those checks take a few minutes and can help you avoid problems later. Cash advance apps can be useful for managing short-term cash needs, but the safest choice comes from understanding the agreement before you connect your bank. To summarize, bank linking is not automatically dangerous, but you should check security practices, permissions, and repayment terms first. Review the app details before connecting your account, and subscribe for more practical money guides.